steamed broccoli, stir fry with steak,
Peppers,
onions,
and Chinese vegetables on top.
and Chinese vegetables on top.
Very low carb.
Low carb.
You can use as much of it as you want.
Crystal's Pets and Plants. She shows a mix for her wildlife of coconut oil, some peanut butter, and honey. So we're going to try to cook this up and add it to the birdseed. Separate from the mix I made this morning with the bacon grease. That was a mix of bacon grease with the birdseed, and then I ended up adding some oatmeal to it. Well, oats, I should say. I didn't cook it up. I just added the oats from the oatmeal. So that looks good. So I showed this earlier. It's birdseed mixed with bacon grease and some oats mixed in on top. And can you pour this in maybe? We're gonna add the peanut butter, honey, and coconut oil mix to this birdseed.
Would you like me to stir it in?
You can do that if you feel like it. Or I'll hold it. So tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, I usually get this stuff out.
You want it flattened out, or you want it? No. There you go. I'm gonna let it flatten out.
It's okay.
Make it easier for them to jump in and grab it.